A dreary start to the weekend indeed, with low clouds, fog, low visibility, and drizzle from time to time. There was just enough rain to tip the bucket in Roanoke and Lynchburg. Elsewhere, though, not enough drizzle to do that. Temperatures right now are still mild in the lower to middle 40s, and we should stay at this temperature for the next several hours. 42 degrees right now in Blacksburg, 45 in Bluefield, 43 in Martinsville, and it's 44 degrees right now in Lynchburg. First alert Doppler radar is lighting up with some moderate to heavy rain that's falling along the Interstate 77 corridor towards Wythe County and Grayson County. This moisture will continue to build to the north and turn more widespread later on this evening. First batch of rain will come from the Carolinas, bringing in a lot of Atlantic moisture into the area. You can see right now where the moderate to steady rain is falling along the North Carolina and South Carolina border. After that, we tap into our cold front that also has a lot of rain associated with it because it's bringing in a lot of Gulf moisture to the area. So we're going to see this line of rain enter our area come later on tonight, thinking around midnight, and continue till early Sunday morning. Look what's happening back behind this cold front. Cold air wrapping in and bringing a lot of snow towards the Chicagoland area and even to central Illinois. For your forecast model, it picks up on the heavy rain coming in between 9 to 10 p.m. This will be a good time just to stay inside because we could see some of those heavy downpours continue for several hours. After midnight, the batch of heavy rain pushes towards northern Virginia. We'll see some steady showers between 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. before the next batch of rain moves through. It does fall apart, though, as it interacts with the mountains. Come 9-10 a.m. on Sunday, we start to see some clearing. Yes, some breaks in the clouds. In fact, we could end up the day with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. But as soon as that cold air wraps in back behind the rain, we're going to see the rain change over to snow across the mountain communities. But with the westerly component to the wind, the snow will stay towards the higher elevations along the western slopes and will not make it east of the Blue Ridge. Rainfall amounts stay between a half of an inch of rain up to 1 inch in locally higher downpours, especially if the rain is falling in one place for a longer period of time. And your snow map has most of the snow falling across ski country and back towards the mountain empire, with just a coating possible across those higher elevations. For tonight, temperatures will stay mild in the lower to middle 40s, as I mentioned, basically right where they are right now, with heavy rain falling at times. Then your sustained winds on Sunday include gusty potential, gusting up to 30 to 35 miles per hour out of the west, but they will be sustained really from 15 to 20 miles per hour. So your wind chill will be a lot lower than what the thermometer will read. Daytime highs holding in the middle 40s and to near 50 degrees across the area. Will be much cooler along the mountains. And then the start of the week features much cooler air. In fact, upper 30s expected on Monday with some sunshine, and another batch of cold air expected on Wednesday with highs just above freezing.